Hey, so if you're looking for the best workflow management software for accountants and bookkeepers, especially for managing e-commerce clients, like a bookkeeping and accounting automation software, then I invite you to check out Link My Books down in the description of the video with a special free trial and free onboarding. So you'll be able to understand how Link My Books works, and people from Link My Books will guide you step by step and explain everything to you. And also in the description, you're going to find a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months. Now, what is Link My Books? Link My Books can help you with managing your clients, your e-commerce clients. So you can help connect the sales channels of your e-commerce clients. So sales channels like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and even Square and WooCommerce to Xero or QuickBooks. So you hopefully can have like error-less practice because software can automate a lot of things for you. Hopefully you can have more time for yourself. And hopefully because of that, you'll be able to onboard more clients and hopefully grow your business. So again, Link My Books works with accountants and bookkeepers. Also, it works with e-commerce sellers, but today we're talking bookkeepers, accountants. So in the description, also you will find a video with myself, Bob Evan, great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, who is the co-founder of Link My Books. And in this video, in this 41-minute tutorial, we show you how to use Link My Books software for bookkeepers and accountants, how you can boost your productivity with the software, and basically from A to Z, how it all works. I truly recommend you watching this 41-minute tutorial. It's in the description for you, along with a free trial and a free onboarding link for Link My Books and a special 50% off coupon code. You can kind of go down here with me and see efficiency that drives profit, time saving for bookkeepers. Why is it good? Profitability Unleashed, the Link My Books advantage. And basically we cover all of this that we're seeing here on the screen now and all these graphs. We cover them in depth in this video. So I do honestly recommend you watching it. And again, free trial, best discounts for Link My Books are in the description. I'm an affiliate of Link My Books, so if you ever use my link to do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from that with no extra cost to you. And in this way, you can support my free content, and I truly appreciate it because in this way, I can keep the content free with no paywalls for you here on my YouTube channel or in my blog at wovevan.com. So thank you a lot. Now, the video that we're seeing here is going to appear here on the screen right now. You can click on the video to go and watch it. And of course, there's a free trial for Link My Books and also free onboarding you get with that link in the description, best coupon code. So I hope Link My Books is going to help you with your accounting, bookkeeping business, and good luck to you.